Hello. Welcome to another super tutorial, my lovely friend. I love you. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for making me grow. I love you. I'm so grateful. With a heart of gratitude, I say thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. I love you. I have you so much. Alright. Please, I'm on my knees again. For those that haven't subscribed, I beg. Please, Ejo, the Allah, because subscribe to my channel. Please do this for me. I'm so grateful. Please, thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Comment as well and give me a thumbs up to show that I did something good. And if there's anything you don't understand, you can ask me a question. Maybe in the next video I will teach you how to do it, or if it's something I can explain in a written form, I'll do as well. Okay, thank you. All right, then we're gonna be doing another good dance today. And the dance is not something it's not something I do. It is. If you keep practicing, see yourself perfect. Okay, just something that we do with our shit like this. That's it. Isn't it? So okay, let me show you. Okay, some of this coming. Isn't it? Okay. That's how you see me bending down like this, right? But the first I'm gonna teach you is the easy step. Just taking it easy, not as fast as I do it. You just have to be doing yours gradually. One day you just find yourself doing it like this. And you're like, wow, so I can really do this. But right now, if I ask you to do something like this, you can. You just be doing your body like, I know. So first of all, I'll just teach you how I learned it, how I began doing it before I was able to be doing it fast like this. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, you see, your shoulder, this one shoulder, forget about this one. I'm not doing something like this, that's not what I'm doing. Okay, what I'm doing is only one shoulder. I see that this one is moving, why this one isn't moving? So how to get this one moving is, you just have to only this hand. You watch me. You see, nothing concerns. I'm not doing this on this. This one is just on its own. Why this one is just one? And if you watch, if I'm going this way, here it's already bent. So I keep going like this. Let's go. Alright, are you there? Be doing it. Watch me. Just ride my leg. You must ride your leg. Must not keep it I'm doing. It will not go. So just ride it. Alright, let's go. Only this one hand is moving. This one is standby. Alright. Are you there? Okay, now let's try to be a bit faster. Yes, you're there, baby. You know what? Okay, now let's do with the legs together. Okay, are you there? Yes, you're there, baby. Clap for yourself. Woo! You're a super genius, okay? Let's go. Okay, let's go by the side. Then let the shoulder join. Yeah. You're there, baby. I love you for this. Keep loving, baby. You can do it. Yeah. Okay. Then for me, I give you. Okay, now let's try that with music this way. Alright, let's go. Now I like, yes, I did it. Yes. Let's go the sideways. Are you there? Your hand. Only this one. Remember I told you, don't move this other hand. Let's go. Alright, let's go faster. Yeah, you're there. Yeah, that. So you don't keep practicing. Just keep practicing and see yourself. Perfect. I love you. 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 Now we've come to the end of this tutorial. See you same time next week. But please, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, just do that, please. Do that, please. 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 Do that, okay? Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. Alright, once again I wish you Merry Christmas and a super prosperous new Yay! Okay. By celebrating this Christmas, know you're celebrating Jesus. Don't go and do otherwise, okay? Love everyone. Share this to all your loved ones, even to the needy. This is the time of sharing love to everybody. Everybody, including your enemies. So, yes, so, okay. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely week. Have a lovely month. And have a lovely new year.